How to change language on Solflare Wallet app. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open Solflare Wallet app on your device. Once you do this, you can see this type of interface. You can back up your codes or just go ahead and tap on skip for now. The next step is to click on the settings or gear icon on the bottom right hand corner. Once you click on settings, go to general. On top is language settings. Just go ahead and tap on language, and as you can see, the default language is English according to your region. And if you scroll a bit down, there are a lot of languages like Korean, Dutch, Russian, Portuguese, Spanish, and a lot of languages. So if you want to change the language, just simply tap on the language you want to change and you can go back. Once you go back, you can see the total interface and all of the languages have been changed. To revert it back to English, just go ahead and tap on the gear icon. Go ahead and tap on general. This is general, and the globe icon is language. Just go ahead and tap on the language and select the language of your choice. So this will easily change the language on the Solflare Wallet app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.